Zombie Apocalypse.
Good day everyone. Today I will discuss about the ellipse. Before anything else, we just have an introduction wherein I will discuss about the properties and elements of the ellipse. For example, I have here a figure of ellipse. This one is our Cartesian plane. So I have here an ellipse. One of the properties of an ellipse is the center. So here, our center is at the origin. So this one is the center. In ellipse, sa ellipse po, meron tayong dalawang fixed point. For example, this 2 point is a fixed point. And these 2 fixed point ay tinatawag natin focus. This distance from the center to that focus is equidistance. This one is the F1, F2, or what we call also a foci. So, program natin sa foci. At meron po tayong tinatawag na these 4 points is what we call the vertices. But these 2 points, it was what we call the vertex. And these 2 points, pinatawag natin co-vertex. Anong pinagkaganda? Pag yung 2 points po natin ay tinawag natin vertex, ibig sabihin po, yung line na nag-connect sa kanila, this line, is the major axis. While naman po yung line na nag-connect sa dalawang endpoint natin ng co-vertices o co-vertex, yun ang po ang tinatawag natin, minor axis. So, meron tayong center, foci, vertex, co-vertex, minor axis, this one is line, minor axis, and the major axis. Okay? Meron din tayong tinatawag na eccentricity. Yung eccentricity po na tinatawag kay ellipse is the line that connects to the center, to the foci. Ibig sabihin po, itong line na to ay tinatawag natin eccentricity. So we have the center, foci, vertex, co-vertex, minor axis, and major axis. Those are the most important part of an ellipse. So when we're going to solve the equation of an ellipse, we will find those points or those properties in the graph of the ellipse. So again, we have the center, at the origin, the foci, the 2 fixed points, and the vertex, which is the 2 endpoints of our major axis, and 2 points or 2 endpoints, what we call the co-vertex, which is the endpoints of our minor axis, and then also the eccentricity. Eccentricity, a line that connects between the center and our foci. So I hope naintindihan, nasundan, and those are the properties of an ellipse. And that's all for this video. See you on next video where I will show you the solving of an equation of ellipse. Bye! Good day everyone. So today we will discuss about the equation of one ellipse centered at the origin. When we say center at the origin, therefore our center is 0, 0. So the standard form of an ellipse centered at the origin is x squared divided by a squared plus y squared divided by b squared is equal to 1. This is the standard form. We have a table that represents the equation of an ellipse. This table helps us to identify if the given equation is parallel to x-axis or parallel to y-axis. Okay, from that table, we will use that if the given of our problem or the given equation, or there's no given equation, it's all given is the foci and vertices. So from that foci and vertices that given, that table will help us to identify or to show the equation of an ellipse. For example, we have a foci example. We have a foci 0, comma, square root of 7, and a vertex. Ang vertex natin is 0, 1. So from that table, we have a table. From that table, if we can see these two given points is parallel to y-axis. So bakit parallel to y-axis? Because our x, or you can see, the ordered pair is x and y, right? X and 1. Then napansin nyo yung may given value lang is yung y. Yung y. Therefore, these two given foci or vertex is parallel to y-axis. So bakit siya parallel to y-axis? Ulitin ko po. Dahil po sa given foci and vertex. Kasi foci, yung may value lang is yung 7, which is your R1. And also here, our vertex, yung y lang yung meron value. So x and y, the ordered pair is x and y. So we can see here, if the given foci and vertex is parallel to x or parallel to y-axis. But before hindi lang dito natin siya ma-identify. So, gamit dito sa table, makikita natin yung table. Yung parallel to y-axis, yung foci niya is 0, positive and negative c. Positive and negative c. Okay? While yung vertex naman, 0, positive, negative a. Okay? So, therefore, if titingin tayo sa table, makikita natin yung 0 plus and negative c ay nasa parallel to y-axis. Kung parallel to y-axis siya, ang gagawin natin yung standard form is y squared divided by e squared plus x squared divided by b squared is equal to 1. Okay? So, this equation ang hahanapin natin kahit ang given lang natin is foci and vertex. Okay, so since ang foci is 0, positive, negative c, therefore our c is equal while ang vertex is 0, positive, negative A, therefore, ang A natin is equal to positive and negative 4. Bakit positive, negative? Positive, negative po siya since ang foci is positive and negative value. So therefore, ang square root of 7 is also positive, negative square root of 7. Okay, so since meron tayong C, meron tayong A, but ang kailangan natin is B, para makuha natin yung equation natin, so we will find now the value of B. How are we going to find the value of B? So by using B squared is equal to A squared minus C squared. This equation we will use to find the B. Or simply substitute the value of A and C. Since our A is 4 squared, then our C is square root of 7. So 4 squared is 16. Well, square root of 7 squared is cancel po siya. Ang matitira is yung 7. Cancel na po yung square root of o yung radical sign kasi may square po tayo sa lines. So matitira is 7. So 16 minus 7 is 9. So B squared is equal to 9. So find, to remove the squared, we will use again the radical sign. So both sides may radical, therefore B is equal to positive, negative 3. So square root of 9 is 3. So therefore our B is positive, negative 3. So since meron na tayong B, meron na tayong A, meron na tayong C, kaya na natin siya i-substitute sa ating equation. So, para magkaroon tayo ng equation of an ellipse parallel to y-axis. So, since this is our equation, substitute na lang natin. So, therefore, y squared divided by what is our A, which is 4. 4 squared plus x squared divided by, which are B is 3, so 3 squared is equal to 1. Therefore, 4 squared is 16, y squared divided by 16 plus x squared divided by 9, which is 3 squared is 9, is equal to 1. So therefore, this is our equation. This is our equation now. So, from the given foci and vertex, we find that these 2 points is parallel to y-axis, therefore we will use y squared divided by a squared plus x squared divided by b squared is equal to 1. So, after yan, na-identify na natin, pero kailangan natin B and A. So, since wala tayong B, hinanap muna natin si B. Kasi nawawala siya. So, hinanap natin si B to find B. So, we will use B squared is equal to A squared minus C squared. So, simply substitute po natin yung value ni A at yung value ni C na given sa atin. So, si A natin is 4. Si C natin is square root of 7. Si square root of 7 po, yung radical sign natin ay na-cancel dahil may squared. Cancel po si squared at si radical sign. So, may iwan na lang po si 7 and 4 squared is 16. So, 16 minus 7 is positive 9. Then, B squared kasi ito. So, para hindi siya, para makakat yung bilang, remove natin ang square using the radical sign. So, radical sign po itong tawag ito. Or which is your R square root. The square root of B squared is equal to square root of 9. So, para sa po sila, ang maiiwan is si B. So, therefore, B is equal to 3. For positive, negative 3. So, meron tayong B, meron tayong A, pwede na natin siya equation na parallel to y-axis. So, y squared RA is 4, so 4 squared, plus x squared divided by 2 squared. Bakit 3? Kasi nga po yung b is 3, so 3 squared is equal to 1. So, 4 squared is 16, and 3 squared is 9. So, this is all the solution. To find our equation of